In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Google Docs. This is a handy skill to have when you're looking to enhance your document's design, making your text work seamlessly with images. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to access Google Docs. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Docs homepage. Once there, you'll see a list of your documents. Click on the document where you want to insert an image. If you don't have one ready, you can easily create a new document by clicking on the blank document icon. Once you're in your document, look for the Insert option on the top menu bar. Clicking on Insert will open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select Image, which will bring up several options for inserting your image. Since we're focusing on uploading an image from your computer, choose the option that says Upload from Computer. A file dialog box will then appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's files, find the image you wish to insert, select it, and click Open. This will upload your chosen image to the document. Now that your image is in the document, you might want to resize it depending on the layout you envision. Click on the image to select it, and small blue squares will appear on the image's corners. By clicking and dragging these squares, you can adjust the size of your image to better fit with your text. The final step to wrapping text around your image involves selecting how your text interacts with it. With your image still selected, click on the Wrap Text icon located in the toolbar just above your document. When you click Wrap Text, you'll see how the text adjusts to flow around the image instead of simply pushing it out of the way. This feature is particularly useful for creating professional and polished documents or simply making your text and images look more cohesive. If you need more control over the text wrapping, you can adjust the margin size between the text and the image by clicking on the margin options that appear once you've selected Wrap Text. There you have it. A straightforward way to wrap text around an image in Google Docs. Keep experimenting with different layouts and styles, and soon you'll find what works best for your specific needs. This method not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your documents, but also ensures your images complement your text, both visually and contextually. Happy editing, and see you in the next video tutorial!